Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Welcome back to another new toy shop video. Wow, nice. Oh no, ये क्या है? Wow, कितने सारी खिलौना है. Wow, wow, प्राइवेट जेसीबी कार है. Wow, nice. Wow, beautiful tractor है. Wow, no, it is not tractor. Wow, nice. It is a car. Wow, beautiful car. Wow, nice. Boom. Wow, nice. Wow, another red color car है. Wow, nice. Very beautiful. Wow, boom. Wow, nice car. Wow, another two car. Wow, yellow and green color. Wow, nice. Very amazing. Wow, nice. Wow, boom. Wow, nice. Wow, two JC, two yellow color. Wow, nice. Two yellow color car. Wow, so beautiful. Nice. Wow. Wow, nice, amazing. Wow, red color. Wow, red color toy and yellow color toys. Wow, nice. And green color toys. Wow, nice. Three khilona. Wow, nice. Oh no. Wow, nice. Wow. Boom. Wow, nice, amazing. Wow, another green color. Wow, very amazing. Wow, another green color toys. Wow, nice. Boom. Nice. Wow, last two. One yellow. Wow, nice, very beautiful. And orange color, very beautiful car. Wow, nice. Boom. Wow, nice. कितनी सारी खिलौना है. Wow, इतने अमेजिंग लगता है. Nice. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.